Roha and Michael,
your conference coordinators, and today we are going to be talking about how you can make the most out of your time at QLC 2020.
Now that everything is digitized, it may seem really easy to just sit, stare, and watch as all the action unravels in front of you.
Because QLC is such a bright and vibrant environment, you'll be pulled into the swing of things in no time.
So on the first day, listen and learn. Be accustomed to our online platform and make yourself feel comfortable. And on the day after, speak with the students in and out of their icebreakers and share anything and everything you're passionate about.
Your dreams, aspirations, fears, and goals that you want to accomplish after QLC. The first few days are going to seem a little awkward for a lot of us, but we're all in the same boat.
So reach out, uplift, and engage in QLC. No, we don't mean this kind of networking. We mean that kind of networking.
Hi, yeah, how's it? With over 80 fantastic student and adult-led workshops, you are bound to meet some of the most well-versed, inspirational, relatable, and unique workshops at QLC 2020.
Make sure to start up a conversation with everyone you can to build a circle of friends and professionals you can reach out to after QLC and snatch all the opportunities presented to you.
All the newfound knowledge, skills, and circle of contacts that you're going to develop and refine over the course of QLC 2020, you're going to be a loaded gun, ready to blast off and make an impact.
Don't let the passion stop after QLC. Take your amazing ideas, hopes, and proposals and do something with them. Start up your own local initiative. Address a problem you think needs resolving. Do something you've never done before and grow from there. Remember that everything starts with an idea. The only thing separating you from success is your willingness to bring that idea to life.
And that's a wrap, guys.
We hope you're feeling a bit more excited and prepared for QLC 2020.
QLC is the place to create and celebrate the youth leaders of today and tomorrow. And we're so eager to see what you guys have in store for the conference.
This is your conference coordinators, Roha and Michael, signing out. Peace.